Hey folks, welcome back to Northern Outlier. It's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm ready to go. So today we're going to be doing a deep dive into DeWalt adapters, specifically dust collection adapters. So if you've looked into this at all, you've probably found it a little bit confusing, a little bit frustrating. Today we're going to discuss this and we're going to solve this problem. So anyone who's been watching the channel knows I'm a DeWalt fanboy. I've said it before and I'll say it again. I'm a DeWalt fanboy. I buy DeWalt everything. In fact, actually today, I'm not even kidding, I have DeWalt socks on, believe it or not. So everything I have is DeWalt. But even so, I have a bone to pick with DeWalt. Dust collection connection system. Say that 3 times fast. Dust collection connection system, dust collection connection system, dust collection connection system. Anyways, moving right along. When I got my shop vac and my separator, I was super excited. I was excited that I wasn't going to have dust flying all over the shop, but I was very disappointed when I went to connect it to the tools. So I quickly realized the hose connections on both the shop vac and the separator did not connect to any of the tools. I did notice that there was a very similar connection style on all of the tools though. So a Google search on this topic quickly revealed to me that you in fact need adapters in order to connect your tools to any of the shop vac or the separators that DeWalt makes. And when I say adapters, it's because you might need more than just one. And now I understand DeWalt is in it to make money, they're a business. Any good business wants to make money. I just think it's a little bit ridiculous that you spend hundreds of dollars, top dollar, for some of these tools and you don't get an adapter included. When I was looking into these adapters, I realized that there's several adapters out there and they range anywhere between $20 and $30 a piece. And again, you might need more than just one. So as I said, there's lots of DeWalt adapters out there, and let me tell you, the information is limited and it's confusing. After what seemed like hours online looking to try to figure out what would work for my setup, I finally stumbled upon the DWV-9000. This adapter here I determined connected to my miter saw, my palm sander, my grinder shroud, my circular saw. It connected to everything. So this is the one that if you're going to need an adapter for DeWalt tools, you're probably going to need this one, at least this one. And when I say at least, you will quickly find out that you might also need an adapter to attach to this adapter, as crazy as that sounds. Seeing as how I'm sharing the secret about the DWV-9000, I think you should hit that like button down below and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. So once I realized I needed the DWV-9000, I went ahead and ordered it on Amazon. It took a week and a half to get to me. A little bit longer because I live in a remote area. Super excited to try it out. Put it on the tool. So you can see, this is my sander. There you go. So it fits on the tool. Checked it on all my tools. Fit on everything. Perfect. Problem solved. But then I went to hook it up to the hoses. Quickly realized this did not have the same diameter as the hoses that I had. And in fact, when I did more research, and maybe in hindsight I should have done this at the same time I was looking for this, but I realized there was another adapter, the DWV-9190, that basically threads on, and that is what allows you to attach to a different diameter hose. So I had to order that part. So combined right there is about $50 or $60 in plastic. I know what people are going to say. They're going to say, why didn't you just, tape it together or make another adapter out of plumbing parts or whatever. I didn't want to do that. I didn't think, I should have to do that. So I went ahead and ordered it, and then I have it. But it was a pain. It was a pain to figure out I needed those two adapters, and the information wasn't provided, and it wasn't made very clear. So once I had that figured out, I also actually went ahead and I ordered another hose. I wanted a 20-foot hose for just so I don't have to keep pulling the shop vac and separator around. So I ordered a rigid hose, and it came with a bunch of adapters as well. So now I kind of have a full array of adapters. But again, DeWalt, why do you need to have, and this is only two. If you go online, there's like, I don't know, a dozen more. There's all sorts of different adapters for different tools and different saws and whatnot. So yeah, but there you go. This is basically, a lot of people probably need a setup like this, these two. That's probably what you need in order to hook up your dust collection system. So shame on you, DeWalt, for not including these adapters and not making the information easier for people to find online. After what seemed like hours of researching, I finally figured this out, and I'm sure a lot of people that are watching this probably are having the same issue. So again, DWV 9000, that's your friend, that's a good one. It probably connects to literally all your tools, and I can show you some of the connections on my tools, and you can just see it's very similar connection system, but then again, you got to consider your diameter of your hose, because that's the one thing I didn't consider, and I had to buy this second adapter. So I know they make several adapters, so do your research and be prepared to spend lots of time online just trying to make sure everything works. Measure the inner and the outer diameters of your hose, and use that to figure out which adapter you need, because hoses are going to vary on the different shop vacs, depending on what you have. And that's one way just to make sure, especially if you're ordering online, measure those diameters, outer and inner diameter, and compare, and you'll figure out what you need. So there you have it, folks. That's the bone I have to pick with DeWalt. I find it ridiculous that I had to spend $60 on adapters in order to connect my tools to the dust collection system. DeWalt, if you're not going to include the adapter, at least make the information easy to find and clearly understood so we can get the right adapters in the first place. Anyways, folks, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Hit that like button. Hit subscribe down below if you haven't already. Stay tuned. We'll see you next time.